To enable USB debugging on Redmi A5, there you can for sure do this, and first you will have to go into the settings. From here you have to scroll all the way down, go into About Phone, and from here you have to scroll down and until you find the, the build number, this one right here, all the way down. You have to press on it a couple of times until you will be a developer, and from here you will have to enter your screen lock, and from there you will be able to use developer options. So now to enter the developer options, we have to go back, go into the system, and all the way down right here there are developer options. Let's go in there, and here in these developer options, this is the place where you can find the USB debugging, and simply scroll down until you find the debugging and USB debugging. This is this option right here, and simply press this switch and press OK to enable it. And that's how to do this.